You want a wing or nah?
Girl, you got some.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Jeray, aka Smoke by Jeray, and today I'm gonna teach y'all how to blend your eyeshadow like a pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get into this tutorial. Now you want to take some setting powder and a sponge and dab that setting powder into your eyelid, giving you a smooth foundation surface. Now you want to take your eyeshadow base and just put it upon your eyelids. Now, in this video, I'll be using the P. Louise eyeshadow base. Okay, so now you want to get a blending brush and you just want to blend that eyeshadow base upon your eyelids in a dabbing motion. Okay, so I always tell people that your face and your eyelids is like the foundation of a house. You know what I'm saying? So if the foundation is messed up, that means the whole house is going to be messed up. You know what I'm saying? So you want your eyes to have a perfect, smooth foundation. Alright, so now I'll be taking a dark brown eyeshadow and I will just be blending that eyeshadow all the way up until I'm right beneath her eyebrow. The number one rule, and I mean the number one rule to blending eyeshadows, is patting the eyeshadow in and then moving in circles. Okay, so you want to blend that eyeshadow up right beneath her eyebrow. You still want to see that light concealer line underneath their eyebrow as well. Okay, so just repeat the same thing to the other eyelid. So this is your base eyeshadow, so you don't need to apply that much eyeshadow upon your lid. Okay, so now I'm just going to make sure that both eyelids look the same. So I'm just making sure that they both look alike. So if you have to just apply more eyeshadow upon one or both of the lids, do so. You want to make sure that both of your eyelids look the same. Alright, so now you just want to go in with your second eyeshadow. In my case, my second eyeshadow is burgundy, and you just want to blend it in with your first eyeshadow that you applied. Okay, so I'm just going to work this eyeshadow on one side of her eyelid because my client didn't want the eyeshadow in her corners. So the key to blending eyeshadows is you want to pat the eyeshadow in and then you want to move in a circular motion while you are still patting. That way you can blend both of the eyeshadows together. Now you just want to repeat the same thing to the other eyelid. Now, the key to blending in two eyeshadows is you want to not see any lines. I should not see a separation between the first eyeshadow that we applied and the second. I should see them both blending in together perfectly. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a blending brush and I'm just going to blend that eyeshadow all the way through to her middle eyelid. So the way you want to blend is you want to pull the eyeshadow to the middle of the eyelid and then you want to move in circles. That way it can blend in. Now you want to repeat the same thing to the other eye. Now you see how her eyeshadow is starting to look like it's blending in with her skin because I haven't put no eyeshadow near her corners. So when the eyeshadow blends in with the skin, it's starting to look perfect. Like, that's how you want your eyeshadow to look. You do not want any lines. Okay, so now I'm just going back in with my P. Louise base, and I want to pat that in to the middle of her eyelid as well as to her inner corners. So once you pat that base to the middle of her eyelid, you also want to move in circles. You moving in circles will blend that base in with her eyeshadow. Now you just want to take that same brush and you want to pull that eyeshadow that is on her eyelid to the middle of her eyelid. So now you just want to repeat the same thing to the other eyelid. Okay, so now I'm getting the eyeshadow that matches the same color as the base, and I'm just going to pat it in her eyelid, and as well as I'm going to blend it in with the rest of the eyeshadows. Okay, so you want to pat that eyeshadow in because you do not want to have any creases nor any lines. When you pat a matte eyeshadow in, it will make your eyes matte. Okay, so remember we want our eyelids to look the same. So if you have to go back in with your second eyeshadow just to blend it better, do so. In this video, I am blending it even more by working my burgundy eyeshadow into the middle. Okay, so the last thing you want to do, you want to add some eyeliner, some lash glue, and some lashes. And girl, now look at this. That eyeshadow is blended, boo. Now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as comment what you want my next YouTube video to be. Bye. Mwah.
Throw that bag, I'm a bad little bitch, nigga. Got every ex nigga mad and they big bidder. Diamonds on the chain, blinging off my tits, nigga. I hit his phone, he gon' curve her like a pitch, nigga. Worth the me, pussy good, so we been hooked. If he got seen out with me, it's a big look. Worth the pop, body smoking like a big blunt.